This new HoverAir X1 Pro has just received a brand new update with some really cool features. Some say it's controlled by AI. I think it's witchcraft. I'll let you decide. Of course, with this new update, there's other features such as a ski mode and an indoor tracking mode, but this is the one I want to concentrate on, the cycling mode. It's going to crash, I know it is. There's no way it's going to keep up with me through those twisties. Let's dial in this COSPET into the cycling mode. Let's give it a try. The screen there, look, and we can see everything what's going on. So have you got one of these HoverAir X1s? How does it help with your creativity? Why don't you post in the comments below? Whoa, this looks dangerous. Whoa, 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 whoa. Done it. We've got a real twisty coming up here. Come on, little drone. Don't let me down. I can see it's still tracking me on the screen. Absolutely brilliant. Come on, little drone. Still there. That's really stuck to me like glue, this drone. I am so impressed. It's mad. I told you it was witchcraft. How can the drone track me so tightly without being flown by an experienced pilot? Okay, I know a test was definitely going to fool it. Cop for some of this.
Target locked.
Now that was a tough test. Same bikes, same hoodies, yet the HoverAir knew which one to follow. So with this update, the cycling mode is just one part of it. There's other modes, there's skiing modes, there's indoor tracking modes, plus a load of other features. And this beacon really does add the cherry to the cake. Not only does it have a screen, it's also got onboard voice recording. So with a little bit of AI, you can take the drone noise out of the audio. Now that's pretty clever. the infamous Devil's Waterfall. Will this E26 Enguie get up there? I think it will. This is a powerful bike. Just look at that, even the front wheels lifting. Easy. Well, if this video's brought you any entertainment or value, why not like and subscribe, and we can test some more tech in the future together. So here's the big question. Is the drone tracking the body shape, AI, or is it tracking the beacon, the signal? Well, I think it's a little bit of both, AI and signal, plus a little bit of luck. Here we go, on the right. We're going that way, little drone. Here we go. I'm going around this tree. No way, no way. Around this street, no way. Nearly fell off then. And it's still with me. Are you ready for another test? Okay, 3 people, all dressed in camo, in a green field. One is wearing the beacon. Let's see how it does.
Target locked. That update was well worth doing. It's taken this drone and the beacon and the cycling mode to a completely different level. Thanks for watching. See you soon.